Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use cruise control. So the most basic requirement in cruise control is your car should be driving above a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, right? Press this button on the right spoke of the steering wheel to turn on cruise control. So once you press that, you will see cruise appearing on the MFD, multifunction display of the instrument cluster. And once you do that, now you don't have any set speed. The first thing to do is set your speed. So you can press the toggle button for the set speed towards bottom, that is set minus, and that will set the cruise speed at 53 kilometers per hour, which you can see in the multifunction display. So the set speed is 53 kilometers per hour. The car will automatically apply brakes in case you are coming down a slope to set the speed at 53 kilometers per hour. The car would automatically slow down. Say for instance, you are coming down a slope to set the speed at 53 kilometers per hour. Now, the moment you tap the brake pedal, the cruise control is disabled temporarily. Once you are back on the road and you have an empty highway or an empty stretch of road, press resume on the toggle. That is, press this toggle button towards top. Now you can see the car automatically accelerating to reach the set speed of 53 kilometers per hour. I have not stepped on the accelerator pedal. You can see my leg here. It is automatically changing gears and the car would reach the set speed of 53 kilometers per hour. There you go. It is at 53 kilometers per hour. Now from braking position, I was able to resume the speed to the set speed, that is 53 kilometers per hour. Now I want to reduce it. There are two ways of doing it. Either I step on the brakes, set the speed low and then press set, or I can use this toggle button and keep it pressed to reduce the speed. Watch this. You can see the set speed reducing to 40 kilometers per hour now. So now the car would automatically slow down to 40 kilometers per hour. There you go. Now if I press the toggle button towards the top, it would increase the speed. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So every time I press this toggle button towards the top, it increases the speed by 1 kilometer per hour. Keep it pressed and it would increase the speed by 10 kilometers per hour. Now the set speed is 80 kilometers per hour. Watch the car pick up speed. There you go, 80 kilometers per hour. Now I want to reduce it. So let me press the toggle button towards the bottom. 70, 60, 50. Now I'm cruising at 50 kilometers per hour. Now let me show you how it descends a slope. Let me increase the speed. Now what happens if you depress the accelerator and your cruise speed is set to a lower value? Like I said, the car would automatically reduce the speed to the set speed, that is 50 kilometers per hour. Now the cruise speed is set at 80 kilometers per hour. So it's cruising at a very comfortable speed. If you want to reduce it, like I said, you can either depress the brake pedal, bring the speed low and press set. Now the cruise is set at whatever desired speed it is, that is 72 kilometers per hour. Or you can use this toggle button, keep it pressed to reduce the speed. And that is how your cruise control works. Very simple. But please ensure that you do not use cruise control in like city roads where you get very small stretches where you can accelerate. Cruise control is best used in free stretches of expressways and 4 and 6 lane highways. So it is a feature that gives a lot of convenience to the driver.